Okay, microwave here. It's inverter type. So what I'm gonna do is I'm thinking of doing a scrap run, getting whatever I find today and selling it right away. But if I see a microwave with a transformer, I'll at least pop the transformer out, just so that I got the transformer and I cut the wires off. And then whatever non-ferrous, that's good. I'll hold back, but I'll sell anything ferrous. We'll see what we find. I don't think it's gonna be too much, but you never know. I'm at a different area today, but I may go back to the other area. Okay. So I've got some screens here. Aluminum. That's a bonus. Size of the tires. 245. They're all high. They're all 245s. Everything I find. The right size, but too high, I think. So this is obviously non-ferrous. This doesn't seem so big, these things. It's a lot higher than the normal door or something. Okay, I'll have to cut those. Higher than the normal door. Okay, leave that there for now. At least aluminum. Bulky otherwise, right? I produce a little bit of weight. This one's heavy. Remember, we're gonna do a scrap run right after. we fill it up. Hopefully we can fill it up. So we have to grab what we can, what we see. Be interesting to see what we get. It's not hard to cut that off. These cages are a pain, but I'll flatten it. Tomato cages. Okay. Took the sink off vanity cover. Took the brass off. It's sitting there for a whole week, but no one wanted it, so. Okay, let's move on. Okay, got a kid's bike here. Okay, so move to a little bit different area further down south. Okay, bunch of stuff here. See, no one's coming back here. It's like. Create the bend on it. Interesting what kind of weight I'll get. This stuff's not particularly too heavy, but still steel. It's clean anyways. That is a screamer. Okay, well that looks good for the neighborhood. Big hunk of trash. So let's see what else we can get. It's a good one. Steel door. That's nice. Get in there slowly. Not a lot in this district, but it all depends on the garbage guy. Some garbage guys can say they take everything, and some guys just any metal. Depends if they're tired, I guess, maybe. Obviously big metal, right? But all the small stuff looks like it's all gone in some areas. Unless the scrappers have been here which hard to say, right? I don't know. Can't. The bed frames here, hopefully they fold up easy. Look, they're not too bad. Heavyweight. How you doing? That's what I hate about these. It's gonna be caught up, those things. Should have reversed it. Well, okay. Not a lot out here. I saw a bunch of windows. They were tempting to take, but lots of windows actually. Okay, well, let's cut it, I guess. Find a good spot to cut it. Good airy. What is this thing? It's like a lot of cuts. Don't want to cut that many cuts. I'd have to cut it this way. Let's see how this cut. Heavy steel. It's got a little bit of weight. Thing probably weighed about 50-60 pounds. Probably. Must have been some kind of awning or something, I'm not sure. Okay, hopefully get some small stuff we can put in between. Plastic. Oh crap. No food. I don't know why they do that. No, who's gonna take all those ashes, right? Okay, well, that's okay. Not a lot in this area. Gotta go south a little more. Where I was yesterday, it was a lot more stuff there, but we'll see. It could change. Someone could have been through here already, or maybe the garbage crew. They're steel, you know, those guys who take all the tin, metal, and stuff. Maybe they came through. So they say leave your stuff outside. They may not come the same day for the metal, but they'll come. They said. Okay. Well, got a transformer. I'll have to pop it off quickly. Just gonna want the transformer basically, just in case it's copper. Scrapper was eyeing it, but he was driving the wrong side of the road. Just want the transformer mainly. Screw here. These transformers, 32 cents a pound. Adds up, right? Even though it might not be copper. Aluminum so far. Maybe I'll take this. I wasn't going to take it out, but I think I'll take this out too. Got the capacitor. Okay, Okay. Oh, garbage truck's going around right now still. Yeah, they're picking up metal maybe, who knows? Okay. One side is definitely aluminum. I see this, what's it here, books or something. I seen a scrapper already. He had a full load on his truck, pickup truck, really high, piled high. They say the early bird gets the worm, right? So I took 2 loads last night, so I got lots, but he had the big stuff, mostly big appliances and stuff. Okay, so we're gonna keep cruising. I'd like to at least fill this up here before I go. It's only like 12:43. Scrapyard closes 4:30, so I should find enough. But I have to go further south here because this side is, I don't see very much here for some reason. So it's really cleaned. Sometimes the owners take it back in the yard, right, if it doesn't get picked up, so you just don't know. I seen that yesterday. They were cleaning their yard up, taking it to the back. Okay. Pressure washer here. It's very light. Very, very light. These are all bags here. Let's just throw it in. It's got steel around it. Five bags. 6 bags actually. I'm not seeing much, but if I can fill this up, if I find a hot spot, I come back, but if not, I'm going to do something else. Scrap here, I might not like it, but we can do. It's got to be recycled. Piece of brass here, tiny piece. Okay. That's kind of scrap around. Oh, that's what's out there. Ceiling fan. Probably just dump it the way it is. A lot of plastic on it. It's actually a pretty heavy one. Back in the same area as yesterday and starting to produce a little more here. I don't know what this thing is here, fryer or something? Some sort of heating element thing. I found a folding chair already, put it in. Heavy enough, probably like 20 pounds. But I saw a lawnmower down the road there, so I think there's gonna be some stuff here. What are these windows here? Yeah. That's plastic. See, it's funny how you got a pocket of stuff out here and nothing in the mid areas. There's aluminum there. Hey?
Thank you.
Yeah, didn't take it, huh?
Take it all.
Yeah, it's just no room, it's full. Truck is full.
Yeah?
Yeah, it's full. See? A lot of junk already.
Take the crates if you want.
Yeah, no, the plastic. Okay, I'm okay, thanks. Okay, I'm getting kind of full, but still have room, but not getting a lot of material, the right material that I want. Cord here. A couple cords here actually. I've seen 3 lawnmowers already, 2 gas, 1 electric. So I may come back for them, I'm thinking. Depends what else I find out here. Take a quick look. Even these vacuums, I could take maybe the small one. Take this thing off somehow. Like that. Not the best scrap, but hey, what do you do? It's got to be recycled. 3 printers there, yeah. Okay, still finding cords up there, huh? Can't believe it. Still finding cords. Okay, we're gonna a little more. We're gonna do. I want to look a little more south here and see if there's more stuff. I know there's, like I said, 2 gas lawnmowers and 1 electric, but we'll see. If there's more stuff for another load or half decent, I'll come back. Another one here. Funny, I got 3 on this block here already, and this one it's 4. I just don't know if that's got an internal battery in that thing. Not sure. Yeah, okay, it's not removable. Some are removable. That one's good. Another cord, decent cord. Back to the exact area we were yesterday here. We worked on all the bikes and stuff. So we'll see what's on this area here. I was actually here a little bit ago here, so back in the same spot again. Okay, we gotta move to a different area. All these streets kind of go like in one, like this, and you think you got one area, a new area, but it's not. It just takes you to another opening. Okay, another computer case gutted. There's another one up the road there, but it's got, I think I see the board in it. So I'm gonna have to loop back after, grab it. See what else I can find in this area here. Another microwave here. Yeah, it's got a transformer. I'm gonna pull it up, transform it after, but not right here. But I'm gonna pull it out before we go there. There's not a lot in this area. I think this is a nicer area, so most of it's taken in or cleaned up. Maybe a little bunch of small stuff would be nice, a little bit with weight. Nice to find a couple trampolines would be good. Some extra weight. Correct in there. But sometimes that's stainless steel. Sometimes. Throw this in there too. Yeah, not like yesterday. So I'm thinking the garbage guy comes, because with those garbage trucks you can put a barbecue in there and it'll just crunch it to nothing. The big garbage trucks, they just squish it down to like, you know, a quarter the size. They could be taking like 100 barbecues in those trucks or more. So they're probably taking all the metal or whatever and just taking it, I'm thinking. And probably also scrappers too, right? See, look, here's the garbage truck picking up whatever metal there is. See that? Whatever's left over. Big stuff. I don't know what that is they're grabbing there, but now they're going to grab all the metal or whatever randomly. But it's kicking around. So I figured that's why there's not a lot out there. But today it'd probably be all gone. They said wait a day or so. Wherever there was too much junk, they never grabbed. Your limit's like a pickup truck. Come on. Stripped. That's a bummer. So I'm not sure what they didn't really grab whatever they were doing there. I think it's a freezer. Never grabbed it. They stopped at it, like maybe there's some kind of junk inside it, who knows. They may be only taking just clean scrap metal, if you know what I mean. Okay, it came out actually. Almost. Aluminum. I'm not checking the other side, but it's only check the one side. Fan here. Okay, I'm just gonna finish this up here, and then I'm gonna head out. Get this capacitor off. Okay, I don't want capacitors. Okay, so I'm gonna put that in, and then I'm gonna cruise around, find some more stuff. We're going to scrapyard shortly. Okay. It's that computer that's been staring at me for the last 2 days. Got the board. What it's? It's actually pretty light. I'll probably pull it out after the board. Sharp. Look quite the heat sink on there. Pick all the screws up here. Okay. We'll send it away. The last few scraps here on the side of this road. Here's another spot there. And that's it. We're gonna dump this. Not a super full load, but you know, whatever. It's okay. So a few more spots up there. There's something right up there, a couple things on a hill there. I took that load back there. I did a scrap run. I'll show you what I kept. I had 560 pounds of light iron, 170 a ton right now. Went down $10. I got 46.60. That's a total. And I'll show you what I kept. So I was right on the money when I said 800 or 600 pounds, because I got probably the 40 pounds here with transformers and pots and pans and all that, right? So I kept this. Nothing in this bag here. That's just something else. So, you know, brass tap here, extruded. So if you start adding all that up, you know, into some wire, you're probably easy $20 here of extras. Probably. That extruder here, that's pretty good right there. The two transformers, but I've checked the other winding. It's basic aluminum. One side for sure. I don't know why there's so many plugs here, but only one pot. Might have been buried or something, maybe. And these are heavier wire here, so a little more weight there for those. Plug here. This is gonna be garbage. So you got dirty aluminum here. That's dirty. This should be clean. Here's extruded. This I'm gonna sell probably tomorrow. Same with this stuff here. I'm just gonna cut some stuff off of it, the material, and sell it the way it is. If I clean it, they pay the same price, so there's no point even touching it. So I would say easy another $20 in material, so it would be like an over $80 load. You know what I mean? So it's not too bad. The transformers, I'll check the both windings, otherwise it'll be just dirty aluminum. I'm surprised this board here I got, it's so heavy. I don't know why it's so heavy. What kind of heat sink that is? It a copper heat sink? I'm not sure, but it weighs like easily I don't know, 2 pounds or more. Feels pretty heavy for a circuit board. Brass pile. I'm not really sure about this one here. So not bad, like I say, it was pretty good. Garbage truck was there already, that's the problem, so I couldn't get anything there. Garbage truck was moving pretty quick. They were getting everything that they didn't pick up that first day. So all they were doing is putting in a garbage truck and crunching it. There's a brass antenna for radio. Some capacitors here. Okay, so that was a good experiment, like I say. So I'd say we cruised for, I would say at least 2 hours we cruised, you know, casually cruised. And we got 46. I would say about $75 probably we got out of that scrap run. This is, we didn't have the weights, everything was light. If I had a normal load I would have had easy like 70-80 bucks and plus the extras, but no, didn't have the material. Okay, so I think that's it for the video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. That's the end of spring cleanup 2023. That was the last straw. No more. I mean, there was a few things at the end, a couple lawnmowers, but if I go back there and you know they're not there, it's not really worth my time. So that's the problem. So I'll probably end up not going back. Just no point driving there for nothing, right? Okay, so don't forget to subscribe, share, like. As always, have a great day. Thanks for watching.